Hi guys, it's Naya again. Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how to make the most amazing mini chicken and mushroom pies you will ever taste. With a flaky puff pastry outside and a creamy centre, this chicken and mushroom pie is sure to amaze your dinner guests. If I can do it, you can too, so let's get started. For this creamy, delicious chicken and mushroom pie, you will need an egg, some all-purpose flour, pre-made puff pastry, some single cream or milk if you prefer, cream cheese, coarse pepper and Himalayan salt to taste, vegetable oil, chicken breasts of course, leeks, chestnut mushrooms or whichever mushroom you prefer, an onion, garlic, sprigs of thyme and parsley, however, you guys can use dry if you prefer. Dice the chicken and chop the rest of the ingredients. Be careful when using a knife. Put your oil and your garlic in a non-stick pan and give it a stir. Next, add in the leek and then cook it until it softens slightly. Next, add in your onion and then give it a stir. Finally, add in your mushrooms. After around 10 minutes of cooking, transfer your vegetables into a different dish. Now, put the chicken into the same pan and brown it on medium heat. When the chicken is browned, put this to a side. In a bigger pan, add in your single cream, cream cheese, and stir. Season this mixture with your salt, pepper, parsley, and thyme. Next, stir in your chicken, and vegetables. And thoroughly stir. Stir in 2 tablespoons of flour. This will help thicken the mix. Our creamy pie filling is ready. We need to set this to a side to let it cool down. You could put the puff pastry over this and put it into the oven and bake it as one big pie. However, I want to make individual portions, so I'm going to show you how to do just that. Dust your surface with some plain flour. Use cookie cutters to make 6 large circles in the puff pastry. Spoon a small amount of filling into the middle of 3 of the puff pastry circles. Brush the edge of the filled pastry circles with egg wash. Re-roll the puff pastry and repeat the process as many times as you can. Then, place them on a baking tray with parchment paper and bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Be careful when putting these into the oven, or get an adult to help.
He's tiring, isn't he?
Take them out of the oven and put them on a serving plate. Look at that creamy filling. Serve this with vegetables and some gravy. And now you're done. See, it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and enjoy your mini chicken pie.